Welcome. When it comes to the PMP exam, success isn't just about what you study, but how you apply your knowledge during the test. Many experienced project managers fall into common traps, not due to a lack of knowledge, but because of poor test-taking strategies. This session is all about recognizing these common mistakes and learning how to avoid them to approach your exam with confidence and clarity. One of the biggest mistakes candidates make is misreading the question. Small words like best, first, next, or most likely completely change the meaning of a question. For example, if a question asks, "What should the project manager do first?" but you answer based on a later step, you'll lose points. The key is to slow down and highlight these keywords to make sure you're answering what's actually being asked. Another common mistake is relying too much on your personal work experience. The exam tests PMI's standard practices, not your company's specific procedures. You have to think like PMI, not like your organization. For example, PMI always emphasizes continuous stakeholder engagement, even if your company might sometimes skip it. Time management is another area where many candidates fail. The PMP exam has 180 questions in 230 minutes, which is about 1 minute per question. Many people spend too much time on tough questions and then rush through the rest. The strategy here is to mark difficult questions for review and move on. A big mistake is neglecting Agile and hybrid methodologies. Almost 50% of the exam questions come from Agile and hybrid environments. If you focus only on the traditional or waterfall approach, you'll miss a large portion of the questions. Make sure you study Agile frameworks like Scrum and Kanban, and understand how they combine with predictive methods. The exam is highly situational, presenting complex scenarios that require you to apply your knowledge. A common mistake is practicing only simple definition-based questions. You have to be prepared to choose the most professional response that aligns with PMI's values. This includes ethics. Several exam questions are based on PMI's Code of Ethics. The right answer will always maintain transparency and integrity, even if it seems to be the harder path. You must always ask yourself, does my answer reflect honesty, fairness, and responsibility? Overthinking is another trap. Your first instinct is often correct unless you misread the question. Avoid second-guessing yourself too much. To sum it up, avoiding mistakes on the PMP exam comes down to a few key strategies. First, read carefully and pay attention to keywords. Second, manage your time by pacing yourself at about 1 minute per question. Third, think like PMI, not your own organization. Practice as many situational questions as possible and focus on both predictive and agile approaches. Finally, use the exam's Mark for Review feature wisely, only for questions you are truly unsure about, and come back to them at the end.